Hello guys, welcome to my channel Power Pre, and today we will cover class 10th topic science 2 asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. So हमें पता है कि there are two types of sexual reproduction there are two types of reproduction, which is asexual and second one is bisexual. In asexual reproduction there is only one parent is available, and here we today we will uh, cover the topic which is asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. So what is unicellular? Unicellular is a single cell organism. There is only one cell in the organization, one cell in organism who do all the functions in the body, like reproduction, then digestion, and all that. So, in asexual reproduction, which contain only one parent who do all the things, and today's in asexual reproduction, the first topic is binary fission. So, as we know that there are different types of reproduction happen in unicellular. So first topic is binary fission. Here the binary means two. To produce a duplicate or reproduce the same organism with, with the parent. So firstly we'll cover the binary fission. So in as we know that prokaryotes like bacteria and protist, which is amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and eukaryote, which is cell organelle like mitochondria, chloroplast, perform asexual reproduction by binary fission. They uh, they they do cut themselves into two different organisms. Prokaryotes, here the meaning of prokaryotes like single cell animal, and protists like, as we know that amoeba, paramecium, euglena, these are the protists, which is single cell organism. And in eukaryotes, like a cell organelle like mitochondria, we know that the cell contains mitochondria who division themselves and create a new cell. We know that mitochondria is available in the plant cell, chloroplast is available is in plant cell. They also perform asexual reproduction via binary fission. So let me see what happen in binary fission. So in this process, like parent cell divide to form two similar daughter cells. So like parent cell duplicate themselves to create two different cells. So they perform differently. It's basically they do binary fission to get to produce uh, sorry the binary fission, they produce a new cell. Yes, and it basically asexual reproduction. That means only one parent is there in asexual reproduction. And actually in this process, that parent cell divide to form two similar daughter cells, and binary fission occur either by mitosis or amitosis. Okay, let me clear this topic later, mitosis and amitosis. Let me consider with the example. As we can see here, this is the division of amoeba. That is simple binary fission. As can see, there is a parent cell, parent amoeba. They firstly divide their nuclear and then divide their outer shell, and then they reproduce to two different daughter amoeba. And here is a transfer binary fission in paramecium. As we know, the paramecia is a longitudinal. So the paramecia is like transverse binary fission. That means they cut down in the middle of the cell. As we know that amoeba don't have any specific shape, so they divide uh, uh, randomly, like they are asymmetrical. So there is formation of two daughter cells. There is no specific alignment. And here in transfer binary fission, there is like they cut down themselves in half in the middle, and they uh, and the parent paramecia divide their cells and reproduce a different daughter paramecia, two different daughter paramecia. And the second one, third one is example of longitudinal binary fission, which is the example is euglena. So in longitudinal binary fission, that means the cut down of cells is in vertical, like as you can see here, the cells are formed vertically. There is a cut down vertically. Okay, so let me see, like axis of fission, the division is a different in different protists. Like amoeba divides in many plane due to lack of specific shape. As I already told that amoeba don't have shape, so it like they plan lack of due to lack of specific shape. The amoeba, there is no specific division. Then, hence, this is called as a simple binary fission. And in paramecia, we already checked, they divide transverse binary fission, whereas the euglena is longitudinal. That means vertical. And the binary fission usually performed by living organism during favorable condition, that is availability of abundant food material. So let's see what is the favorable condition. So in favorable condition, the atmosphere, food are available to survive that organization, that organism. The food are available and there is a good environment, then they reproduce themselves and generate a new cell. So in that condition, most of the organism, not only asexual, the bisexual, uh, as well as the sexual reproduction also depend upon the favorable condition. If the condition is good, the environment is good, food is available uh, to feed that new cell or the new organism, then then they reproduce themselves and generate a different organism. So that's all about it today's topic. Let Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.